Hello everyone, this is Veronica and I'm back to YouTube, hopefully this time for good. I've taken a very long unexpected break. I missed you, and I'm ready to come back to YouTube. If you're new to my channel, my name is Veronica and I make videos about doing more and spending less. Basically, shopping, style, obviously, handbags, and all that fun stuff. But I've been thinking a lot since I've had time off. So I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. Hope everyone had a good holiday. We started a new year. Happy Lunar New Year if you celebrate. It's the year of the rabbit, so it's my year. So I'm really hoping to have a good year. So basically, I just wanted to do like an update video. I have my little notes here. So where have I been? Well, I've been here. I've been living life. Unfortunately, the last 6 months of 2022 kicked my butt. They were probably some of the worst months of my life I've experienced. I'm not going to get into details because, stuff that happened to me and the man, health issues, it was bad. It was not good. And then we had an unfortunate death in the family in December, which just was like the cherry on top of all the crap that has happened. So it was just not a good end of the year, so mentally I just did not have it in me to make videos. Emotionally, and then time, with everything that happened, our life got kind of turned around. So like I said, I don't want to get into too many details, but it was not a good year for us. Things have turned around. Things are looking better. We are doing well. We've started off the year pretty good. There's still things we're dealing with, but for the most part, we're doing good right now. We're okay. So I just didn't even want to bother with YouTube, in 2022, the last few months, because like I said, it just wasn't, I didn't have it in my heart to come and do videos. I was just busy, things going on, work, life, and it just didn't seem like a good time to make videos. I didn't want to come here and make videos and be like a complete downer. So yeah, so things are good. That's where I've been. It's actually been 6 months since I made a video, and funny, in those 6 months I've actually, not a lot, but I've gained a couple new subscribers. So yay, thank you to the people who have subscribed. I really truly appreciate it. I've had a couple comments on some of my older videos, so thank you very much. It just kind of motivated me to want to get back to making YouTube videos. So I will be doing that starting this month. I'm not committing to a particular schedule. I was trying to do 1 to 2 videos a week before. Right now, I'm just going to try to make videos when I can and upload them when I can. And then I'll see what the rhythm is as far as a schedule upload date. So, bear with me, have some patience. And then also, I was just thinking, I kind of forgot how to make videos. I was also thinking, wow, am I going to remember how to edit videos? So hopefully, sorry guys, I'm trying to, I don't have a lot of makeup on. It's just been one of those days where I'm just running errands and very casual. So I'll take off my glasses. And then I also wanted to kind of talk about what I'm thinking about in the future for this channel. I just want to make it absolutely clear that my channel is not a luxury channel. My channel is not all about luxury, although I do like luxury. I have talked about luxury brands and have shown you some luxury brands, and I have some luxury brand things to show you, but I don't label myself as a luxury channel. And not that there's anything wrong with being labeled as a luxury channel, but I just kind of wanted to put it out there that my channel is not just about luxury items, because as you know, luxury items cost a lot of money, and my channel is about doing more and spending less. So I'm not going to be spending those luxury price, you know, sharing some things I bought that I think were like awesome deals for luxury items. So my channel basically is going to be more about showing you how you can get more with less money, that you don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to have nice luxury items, right? You know, sometimes it's inevitable. You have to pay the high prices. You know, one of my taglines is, we never pay full price for anything. Oh no. But occasionally you just have to. If it's something you really love, if it's something you really want, then, you know, you're going to pay the price. And that's absolutely fine. But I'm always about trying to find a way to save money, to not pay those high prices if I can avoid it. To make this channel all about unboxings. I know people like that, but it's just not something I want to get into the habit of buying things to unbox and share here on the channel, because that's just not something I'm going to be able to keep up with, and it's not something that I want to do, because I want it to be more organic and natural. Like, I'm buying these things that I would have bought anyways, whether or not I had a YouTube channel. So kind of, you know, make it more about, if I buy something, I'll unbox it and share it, but I'm not going to be buying items just to share on YouTube, which again, it's no shade to anyone that does that, but I'm not monetized, and my financial situation is not great at the moment, so I won't be doing a lot of unboxings. And also, not only handbags. I don't want to just make this channel about handbags, although it kind of initially started somewhat that way. I won't be buying like a handbag a month or anything like that. So you won't see a lot of handbags. I want to make videos about style. Back in the day, back in 2009, when I first started getting into social media, I had a blog about fashion, style, shopping, and that's something I really enjoyed. But you know, blogs died years ago, and I kind of just let it go. But I'm trying to kind of get back into that with this YouTube channel. So I will be making more videos about style, about fashion, you know, things I buy. There's a lot of brands that I've never tried as far as fashion. And I want to maybe, you know, try some new brands and share with you guys. Also, I want to, you know, make videos about sharing my collections. I have a lot of things that I could share about without having to buy new things. So kind of trying to not be a minimalist, but just not buy as much stuff, because I have a lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, a lot of things that I want to share with you guys, and I hope you guys like that kind of stuff. Let's see. Oh, also vlogs. I would like to do some vlogs, because lately I've been discovering, although I haven't been making videos, I have been watching all of your guys' videos. So if I subscribe to your channel, I have been watching videos. I haven't really been commenting a lot, only because I tend to watch videos late at night. So sometimes I fall asleep and then I forget to go back and comment, but I always like your videos and I watch your videos, but I will be commenting more. So I've been noticing and watching some channels that have integrated vlogs, and I kind of enjoy that. I kind of enjoy seeing people, you know, what they do, where they go, especially if you live in another city and state. I'm in California, and I've been watching videos from people that live in the Midwest, East Coast, and also in other countries, the UK, Europe and such. So, and I think that's fun. I think it's fun to see where people live, what it looks like where they live, the stores where they shop, things like that. You know, that's what I enjoy. So although I'm not very good at making vlogs, I'm going to try my best. and maybe do you know, a couple of vlogs for you guys. Like I said, I do live in Southern California, and I also I think I've mentioned this before, that I'm a very, very avid fan of Disney, Mickey, Minnie, and I do have a magic key, so maybe I will make some vlogs about going to Disneyland and sharing what I see there, what I find. This is not going to be a Disney channel, but you know, it's part of my life, and it's part of things that I enjoy. And even when I go to Disney, I try to do it, you know, on a budget, because it can be very expensive. You could spend a lot of money on, you know, food and merch and all this stuff. So might be fun. Let me know. Like I said, I'm excited to be back to YouTube. I just wanted to say hi. I'm still around, and I will be making more videos. And I kind of been putting it off also because I don't have like a nice setup. You know, a lot of people have like a nice room where they record. They might have like a special room, or they have a nice setup, you know, in the background with their shelves and their bags, and or a nice background or whatever. I don't have that, and I've been trying to set it up for months now, and I think that's kind of like making me put off recording. And I said, you know what, I just need to do it. I'm not that I'm a perfectionist, but I want it to be nice. I don't want to give you guys like cheap content. I don't want it to, I want the quality to be good. I want the audio to be good. I want the lighting to be good. So things like that, sometimes I hold myself back because I want to make it really good or look as best as I can. So if I don't like my setup, then I'll be like, ugh, I don't want to record. But I need to get out of my head and just do it, you know. So I was like, you know what? You don't have to be perfect. You don't, you know, you don't have to make it look so professional. You just have to make the videos. So let me know what you think. If you guys have ideas, I did post a little poll on my community. I didn't even know I had the ability to do that. So that's how out of touch I've been with YouTube. So I did a little poll, and the one person, thank you, one person who voted on a video I should make of my most used, most loved handbags from 2022. And I need to get that done before, you know, before we get further into 2023. But I will share my bag of the day. I've been using this more too, my little Coach planner, and I found like some cute little gadgets and things to use. So, oh, that's just a picture of me and my boo. So, and I also love photography and cameras, so I'm thinking about making a video of my cameras that I have. So, you know, I want to share other interests that I have, not just handbags, not just shopping, but you know, there's more to Veronica than all of this stuff. Oh, my bag of the day. My bag of the day is, and I hadn't used this bag in a while. I said, you know what, I need to start using all my bags, because I'm the type of person that I don't like to switch out my bags daily. It's just, I guess I'm just lazy, but I don't do that daily. So once I use a bag and I like it and it works for me, I just keep it for like weeks sometimes. But this is my bag of the day that I've been using, the Coach Basquiat. This is from the outlet. I got it like almost 2 years ago, I think. I did change the strap. This strap is from Field Tote I bought, which I bought during the time I wasn't recording, but I will share with you guys. And I love this strap. I wish Coach sold these individually. So I've been using this strap with this bag. But this is my bag of the day. You know, holds a lot, but it's not too big. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe for new videos coming soon. If you are already subscribed, thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you for staying subscribed, because I know sometimes people will unsubscribe once people don't make videos. Follow me on Instagram. If you are on Instagram, I'm really a lot more active there. And yeah, I'm hoping this year is the year we get monetized. So, you know, it'll be fun. If you love fashion, shopping, handbags, and all that other cool stuff, fun stuff, stay here, subscribe. Thanks everyone. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still alive. I'm still here, and I'm gonna be making more videos. So thanks everybody. And oh, other things I want to do here is tag me in a video. I never get tagged, which is okay because I'm still kind of new here to making videos on YouTube, but I do want to, you know, do some tag videos. They seem like they're fun. Collabs also, if you would like to collab with me, there's a couple people that I would love to do a collab video with, and I've already mentioned it to one person. You know who you are. My friend over in the UK. So, you know, I'll be talking to her, and maybe we could do a collab video. And anyone else, I'm open to a lot of things. I'm open to collabs with people. I'm open to, you know, getting to know more YouTubers here on YouTube. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to make this video too long, but thanks guys, and I'll see you real soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and